When the fires moved through Los Angeles, they left behind more than damage. They left silence, disruption, and lives forever changed. Homes were lost, schools were closed, businesses went dark, families were forced to leave everything behind, uncertain of what would remain. As fires burned, first responders worked without pause. ATI supported them, delivering water, essential supplies, and thousands of N95 masks to help protect those on the front lines. In moments like this, recovery doesn't begin with rebuilding. It begins with presence. From day one, ATI Restoration was there, on the ground, inside the impact zone. From the Palisades to the hills of Altadena, our teams responded where help was needed most, supporting charities, delivering food and water, and standing with communities in their time of need. Not for recognition, but because it was the right thing to do.
My name is Dr. Lawton Gray. I'm principal here at John Muir High School. I've been principal here for 8 years. I'm also an alumni of the school. I graduated in 1993. So many of our students' homes were damaged or completely lost and burnt down in a fire. I can't explain how much damage has been done, but just know a whole community has been wiped out. I have 230 students, and of those 230 students, 70 do not have homes, and they've been burnt to the ground. It pains me what our kids are experiencing right now, but once again, it's devastating what we're seeing. And I'm just so appreciative of everyone who's come out to help support our community, our campus, our district. It's just so impressive, the love that's been shown. I'm thankful to ATI Restoration. I'm thankful to the Young Nye Foundation and Bryce Young. I'm thankful to all the other groups that have come out and supported us, the Athletes First Foundation, because we're gonna need help now, and we're gonna need help for years to come to get out of this.
Across Los Angeles, ATI teams move from site to site, stabilizing structures, removing hazards, cleaning schools so students could return, helping churches reopen their doors. The work was complex, but the mission was simple: help people move forward. And sometimes restoration has nothing to do with buildings. When two elderly sisters asked for help searching through the ashes for pieces of their past, artwork, memories, something worth saving, ATI stayed. We searched alongside them, because what they lost mattered.
I'm Father Modesto Luis Perez. I am the pastor here at St. Elizabeth's of Hungary Parish. This is certainly the most tragic and difficult thing that we as a community have had to go through. I remember driving and seeing this young man leaning on the remains of a wall, must have been his house, and he was in tears. And I realized that his whole family history was burned. That he might have been born there, his parents and grandparents had lived there, and now there was nothing but ashes. So that sort of spoke to me, to everything that we have been going through. I've experienced displacement, loss, but there's always hope. There's always a tomorrow, and it can be much more beautiful than yesterday.
Recovery doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, it takes people, and it takes commitment. Long after the cameras leave, ATI remains dedicated to Los Angeles, not just to rebuild what was damaged, but to help restore stability, dignity, and hope. Because restoration isn't just about structures, it's about people. And when it matters most, ATI is there.